So you've just made a sale on Music Etrade and you're probably wondering, why haven't I been paid? For your first 2 sales on our site, we put your payment on hold until the item has been delivered to the buyer. This is why it is very important that you provide a tracking number when shipping your item. The moment the buyer receives the item, it triggers our system to release your funds 12 hours after delivery. So let me show you how and where to input the tracking number. Simply log into your Music Etrade account and hover your mouse over your account name in the top right corner. Select the Selling History tab and then click on Sold. Locate the item you just sold, then click on the blue Actions button and select Tracking Number. From the drop-down menu, select your carrier and insert the tracking number. Make sure to click the Add Tracking Details button before exiting this screen. Once you have done this, the buyer will receive a notification that their item is on its way. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact our support team. We thank you for watching.